Barry Gilbo with GPS Autotracker. I want to show you a couple features on the cloud-based platform that enables you to keep up with your expenses for your truck. Just bought some fuel, and so we want to add that receipt to our cloud-based accounting system. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture of it. All right, and then I'm going to go to the trucking homepage, and you'll notice here there's a picture of a fuel pump. So if you click on that, and first thing we need is we need the amount, and the amount's going to be $31.52. The gallons, let's see, 8.8. Obviously, this isn't a big rig. 8.8. And odometer. We're going to keep track of our odometer miles because we want to get our miles per gallon on every tank. All right, so we're just going to. And now we're going to keep track of the state because we're going to keep our IFTA report straightened out. So pick Arkansas, and we can go ahead and put a note here on where we bought the fuel. All right, and I think that's we'll go to down here, and we'll pick our truck number. If you only have one truck in your fleet, that'll be defaulted to your truck number. But let's say you got 5 trucks, so we'll do that. Most of the information will fill out automatically. Money type, how did we pay for it? Let's say Discover card. If you pick a check, it will ask you for a check number. And I think that's all we add, so let's hit Add Expense Receipt. Yep, there we go. So now we're going to add Edit Photos. We're going to add the photo. Choose existing, and there's our receipt. And we'll put there Sims, and we'll add photo. Now we just added that receipt to that expense receipt. So now that's taken care of. All right. Now I'm going to switch to the big screen just for the heck of it. Or may not even need to. Let's see. Yep, and that's it for today. Thank you.